Guys, my name is Diana. Now God is my home, and we thank God for the gift of life. Here we are going to eat ugari, skuma, and eggs, as you see. And we thank those who donate for us, those who change for us diet. Pastor Esther is not feeling well. She's on the bed, and I know God will heal her. I know God will heal her and guide her in everything. God bless those who donate for us eggs. At least we have changed that.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Guys, as you see now, our children here, my sisters and brothers, they are enjoying eating their supper. They are enjoying eating their supper, and we usually thank those who provide for us eggs. The Bible says it's more blessings to give than to receive. So those who donate for us eggs, they have received more blessings, and we pray for God to help our mom, Pastor Esther, to continue for protecting us. She is sick, and we will pray for her. And I know God will guide her, will heal her, and He will control her in everything she do. Please, guys, share and comment. Thank you.
Bye.